Hello, this is Robert, your only senior from the SPHS Tennis Athletics. I am conducting a speech for all of you to see. Uh, for since this is the literally last time I can uh, do this, and well, and I'm also trying to make up for the party that we were supposed to have earlier this month. Can you believe it? It's actually May. I can't believe it. It's been a long time, but yeah, it's crazy. But I I think we are. I think it's a very good very good time. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm in a secluded area, far away from my house. And I'm here wishing you all to stay well and hoping all your families are okay and just uh, everybody can just be safe. All that healthy stuff. It's a very difficult time, I understand. And so here, hopefully, I can brighten the mood a little bit. Uh, so where to begin? I want to thank Coach Rig and Coach Ed. Uh, Thank you for assisting me throughout all these years. I would not have able to have grown and become a better tennis player because of you. You pushed my limits, be it a lot. Uh, Almost broke my back and my pelvis, but I'm fine. I'm fine. It still hurts though. Seriously, it still does kind of hurt. But yes, this has been a a very good experience playing with you two, understanding new techniques like the top spin or the slice or the I don't know, the what is it called, the American kick? Is that I think yes. I think you tried showing me that, but that ultimately failed. But yes, I do remember all those techniques you have been teaching me. It's been very fun. I I enjoy every moment of it. I do miss you guys, honestly. Um, it really is unfortunate, but I'm pretty sure we'll eventually come back on the courts and I'll beat you. I'll beat you at that USTA, man. I'll beat both of you, man. You're old. Yeah, you're old. But nah, seriously, it was a very good time. You guys been helping me and teaching me and all that. Uh, the reason why I joined tennis is because of my hand-eye coordination. I had not very good motor skills. I still don't have very good motor skills, but I have matured and developed those features because it's suitable for your life, and you need it to survive. But yes, yeah, it's very good. I can see better. My eyes are sharper. Thankfully, I don't need glasses. uh, but yes, it's I am in a good position now that I was 4 or 5 years ago. So um, it's all thanks to you two. Um, I, so um, tennis was a very fun sport to me. I loved it. It came in naturally, really. I mean, what of course a lot of work, but yes, it just was it's really fun. I began socializing with that. Um, Although it did take me a long time to officially get better social skills. But yes, it has strengthened that in my mind. When you're in the recession, moving around, it's very difficult. Um, Trying to stay in a good fit mind. It's very difficult, and tennis has helped me improve on that. Uh, so yeah, that's just a little bit of my background. So for ninth grade, when I joined, I was the only freshman. Can you believe it? I can't. I can't believe that I'm the only senior and I'm the only freshman. Like, what the heck? Uh, uh, yes. I made a lot of good friends. They were weird. I'm not gonna say any names. Out of respect of privacy, but yes, they were good people. Um, I mean, one of them was a bit annoying, yes, but I think we all knew who. But yes, they were just good people, and they were very fun, and uh, just yeah, I missed them, but they were good at the time. They were just we. I think I just it was. I think I was moved up from number two, no, three doubles, and then just quickly moved up. I think with my partner. Uh, and I don't know how we did it. I mean, I wasn't. Yeah, it was. Yeah, number two doubles. Yeah, it was not the best. I mean, I didn't do my best, but I mean, I'm not like Andy, but yes, I did push myself, and with my partner, uh, we really did a lot of good teamwork. Um, and so it was very very fun. I liked it. I He really taught me a few things. Some of my new friends, and yeah, they helped me a lot. Some of them were inappropriate things, but we're not gonna get there. To quickly move on, the yes, 10th grade. Yes, I did not go because I sprained my arm during wrestling, and yes, unfortunately, I mean, it wasn't even wrestling. It was a really stupid thing that I did. Uh, so don't do stupid things, kids. I mean, don't do drugs. Don't do drugs. Seriously, don't do that. But yes, don't mess around with your body. So don't, please don't. It's not good. Anyway, so junior year. Yes, that's when I came back. And of course, I know a lot of people have already left, but a lot of new people came in, and surprise, surprise, I met with some old friends. Avon. Well, for this year, I will speak the names, but Ben. I yeah, I can't believe that they came back. I never thought I'd see them again. I honestly thought you were homeschooled or something. But yes, it was very nice to see you guys again, and I like to we just all got together again. Play. We just played. It was difficult. It was a strenuous year, I think. Like senior most of us were like seniors. Well, it's just, some were, I believe, freshmen, sophomore, newcomers, and or 1 year experience. But yeah, they really did do good, their best, really, and I think we were a really solid team, honestly. I know we lost during the the PCAL stuff, but other than that, I think we did really splendidly well. But it's nothing compared to this year. This year was wow. This year was a big shock. And I'll get more to that. But yeah, junior year, yes, I think, I think it was just one of the best times. Uh, so, uh, you know, for senior year, yes, now I will get through. For senior year, this year was very short, as we all know, but it was spectacular. It was just one of the best years, and one of the most surprising things ever, I think, just in my life. I mean, I'm not even in my 40s, but seriously, yeah, it's crazy. We pushed ourselves. We did so good, and I know how some of us thought, oh, I'm not doing so good, I'm not doing so good, Yeah, I know some of us were letting ourselves down, but well, even me sometimes actually, but honestly, but we did so good. It was just a big shock, it was exotic. It was, I just can't believe it. We did so much hard work, and it came out magically. Really, it was a big miracle. Honestly, I think it was 6-0 the result, right? I mean, undefeated. Yes. I mean, we didn't get to beat York, but screw them. Yes, but seriously, I cannot believe that we did it, and we should all feel accomplished for that. This will go down in history. Hopefully, we get a trophy. But no, seriously, this will go on for all of your lives. It's a wonderful thing. Yeah, it's just wow. Now, I wish I could speak more, but my data is not big enough for this space, so I should do it a little faster. So I would like to thank everyone. I would now say everyone's name: Ben, Quinn, Avon, Matt, N, Matt, M. I know he was there briefly, but I believe, yes, I think he was still there for at least one match, right? I'm pretty sure. Hugh, Andy, Jordan, Moses, Juan, Jovan, and last but not least, Charlie. Yes, I saved you for last. I cannot thank you, each and every one of you, enough. You guys have been good friends. I will miss all of you. It was a great experience, a funny one, a very, very weird one, actually. No, it was very weird. I think I missed those seniors from last year, but I think they had a bit of a more balanced, in terms of personality. But yes, I will miss all of you. You're weird but kind people. And it just sucks how it was cut short, but that's the way it is. But it was extraordinary. A lot of us, I know for a fact that we just we didn't think that we were capable, but we came out on top, and we were fighters, champions. And yeah, it was the best. And honestly, to be honest, if it wasn't the victory, it was definitely the in and out. Yeah, totally. totally the in and out, dude. Dudes. Yeah, it was the best. I still have those jalapenos on my mind. Actually, I kind of want some now. Yes, but the well, of course, we had the little stupid run-in with the I won't even mention the company's name, but and of course that disturbing thing that Avon or I don't know who even started it, but Jesus, don't why just why? Okay, I gotta move it along, but yes, I would like to give a little bit of an advice to each and every one. So, Ben, I know you're gonna do great. So, just compete, beat Hugh, definitely beat Hugh. Yes, go for it, and take care of your dog. He seems like a good boy. It's a handsy boy, but yes, yes. Oh, and your dad. Yes. I hope your dad can have just a better recovery with his ankles. So it's I hope he gets better. But but yes, it has been very fun playing with you, Ben. And I hope you do great things in the future. All of you, but yes. Well, Ben. Okay. Quinn. Okay, Quinn. You're gonna be a hard worker. I know it, and yes, I think you did fair off this year. It was very fun playing with you in doubles. I know how it was a little uncomfortable for you during the the transition from singles to doubles, but I think we leveled it out pretty well. It was a good partnership. I enjoyed it. I wish you do good, and you have a lot of grit. So continue with that. Avon, all I can say is it was very fun playing with you doubles last year, but it's unfortunate for your back. That really sucks. That happened to you. But yes, it is something to do with. But I hope you do get better from that, and because you're a good player. You really push yourself. You made it to. I think number 4 singles a couple times actually. I think and you really were persistent this year, even though you were faulting, but you did get yourself back up there, and that was brave. That was good. Matt N. Yes. Matt N. I am still very sorry about that incident. I know. Yeah, God, God, yeah. Anyway, Matt N. I know you're going to go through. I know you're in a bit of a troubled state. All I can say is be happy. Just enjoy the things that you have in front of you. Yes, just continue and finish One Piece. Do finish One Piece, and so you can get into JoJo, man. Just get into it, man. Shit's that's good. That's the good stuff, man. That's the good stuff. Matt M. You were here briefly, so I will make this brief. Yes. Continue with your karate and or taekwondo or whatever it is you do. It was a pleasure to play tennis with you. I know you had to cut it short, but it was very very good that you were there. It's good how you tried out, and I believe you have played at least one match. So yes, congratulations. Whatever you on committing for your grades. That's definitely more important. So, Hugh. Yes, Hugh. What to say? Lose. No. Win. Yes, win. Yeah, you're gonna do great, man. You're probably gonna be one of the best tennis players in maybe the world. Definitely regionally. Yeah, definitely regionally. State. Yeah. You're gonna do fine, Hugh. Don't let yourself down. Just keep pushing. Yes. All of you, keep pushing. Don't do that. Don't fault. And yes, Andy, I don't know you that well, so I'm just gonna say the same thing I said to Hugh. Win. That's it. Yes, it was entertaining. I liked how in the beginning you were silent and then you just steadily became the loudest person in the group. So yeah, just you do that. You keep going. Maybe let your brother grow a little bit. A little bit more. Yeah, I'm just saying. But yeah, seriously, just do that. Just keep going. Jordan, yes, Jordan, the very tall boy. Jordan, it's been very fun. You helped me out. You were a really good friend to me, especially when engineering. Yes, that one teacher. Yes, God. But yes, you're a good friend, and I am going to miss your quirks and seeing you grow and your skills, and it's been wonderful playing with you, man. Moses, it has been great being your partner. Honestly, I feel like we had the best tension, and out of all my other partners, yeah, I feel like we had the best tension. It was because we were both yellers and screamers. Yes. Now, I mean, okay, maybe I have been. Yeah, I do believe I have been letting myself down a little bit this year. I've been rough on myself, but we have that good tension. It has been a wonderful thing. We experimented a lot. It was very experimental. I loved it. It was a thrill ride with you, honestly, and it was good work. And those tiebreakers, oh my God! I know. I've been in a lot of tiebreakers before, but jeez, I can't believe that we did it. Okay, Juan, you did good. I'm sorry, I'm running out of space. Juan, you did good. I will miss you. You were a pain, so just keep it going. Jovan, I don't know you that well, but please keep your mouth shut in terms of certain things, please, like personal things, about other people. Just saying. Just saying. I will miss you. Do well on your volleyball if you do go up for that. Continue with that. Charlie, last but not least, the leader of the Broskis. You are almost a god. Yes. You You have championed yourself. You are worthy of, yeah, the best gift. You deserve a statue, Charlie. I bless you, man. Bless you, Charlie. You have proven yourself